All right, this is video 13 over charcoal. The charcoal is also in a drawer. You'll notice that there's some colorless blenders in a baggie. These you're gonna go ahead and leave alone. Your charcoal pencils are here. We do have to share them, but there are enough for almost everybody to have one. Then the way that you get more charcoal towards the front is you can pull this rope, this string down just past the black, and then this peels off, and it takes a little bit to get it going, and then once you get it going, it should wind itself all the way to the front. And sometimes you have to help it along either with your fingernail or with an X-Acto blade, and if you need help getting this to go, let me know and I can help you. As far as how to use the charcoal, oh, there it goes. Go, go, go. There. And that's too much to show, but at least it gives you an idea of how to use it. The charcoal can be done one of two ways. Either you get a whole separate sheet, you draw out a design, or you use it mixed media style with one of your other boxes. The charcoal is kind of a cross in between a brush and how you've used the pastels. It is in kind of a pencil format. So you put down your media, and then I recommend using the same side as your Conte because they can go together, and then blending this out. The difference with charcoal is that you also will use one of these kneadable erasers. You only get this little chunk, and these are expensive. So if you can't help yourself with this, then give it to me and I'll take care of it for you so you don't end up throwing it somewhere and getting in trouble. These are really expensive. The kneadable eraser, the neat thing about them is when you get them dirty, the way that you get them clean again, and I have no idea why this is true, you just stretch them. Got some plastic in there. It's like gum that's not sticky. You just stretch it and the eraser just gets clean again. You can form it into any shape that you want, so it lets you get really precise, or you can make kind of a big blob out of it. It lets you pull off just a little bit of media, so if everything got too dark, you can pull off just a little. It also allows you to blend the media if you make it really thin and put it under your finger. You can kind of blend and remove media at the same time, which is kind of nice. Or you can use it like a regular eraser, but it doesn't pull completely. However, if you compare it to the white eraser, you'll see it does just about as good a job as the white eraser does. The charcoal, once it's down, it's kind of down. Things that you can combine charcoal with is pretty much anything that doesn't have oil in it. So you can use the charcoal on top of your pencil, you can use the charcoal on top of your pen, but it of course will like totally wash out the pen work. You can use it for highlight shading on the pencil, but it doesn't blend as well because there are oils in your Prismacolor. It does not work at all on top of the oil pastels. In some cases, it will work on top of the pencil. And then it does go pretty well if you're wanting to do fine detailed work, particularly on your Conte. You can blend it in there.